and it says Royal Botanical Gardens Q. So it's from the Queen's Garden. Long-lasting moisturization. Miraculous. This is an actual miracle. Creamy mousse numero 3 holy product in this video. What is it called? What is it called? What am I gonna say? Because every time I was just filming this video in Turkish. I actually wanted to take a video in English as well, because why not? Because I am adorable. Well, me being adorable would not be the reason why I should take a video in English. Well, anyways, probably none of you knows me because I don't usually post in English, though I don't usually post because I'm a new YouTuber. Duh. But this would be my second, because my first English video was what's on my iPad. I'll link it up over there. So that was my first English video, and now this is gonna be my second English video about hair. What is it called? Let's make it British English. That's gonna be about, no, they don't say gonna. That will be about what am I saying? Screw that. I am going to talk about how I take care of my hair. First of all, I'm not sure if these products will be available in your country. I'm assuming some of them would. Okay, the shampoos would probably be available in your country because I know CVS has it in America at least, and herbal essence probably are produced in England. And Frida, actually, I know that it's an English brand as well. I'm not sure if there is any gliss, morfose in your country, but if you could Google it, I'm sure you can find something like that. So let's get started again. I have bleached my hair, and I've been bleaching it at my home by myself. Well, not by myself, by my mother. She bleaches my hair, but I pick the colors and I make sure that my hair doesn't fall out. That's why my hair is kind of not damaged. I'm not gonna say it's damaged because it's on my hands and it's on my control not to get it damaged, and that was the first reason why I started bleaching my hair at home, so that it doesn't get damaged as much as it would in a hairdresser. In shower, I use these two babies because they're awesome. The shampoo is herbal essence, coconut milk, hydrate, real botanics, 90% natural origin and stuff. Conditioner is again herbal essence and 90% natural origin, coconut milk conditioner with active antioxidants. What I'm gonna say about these is that they make my hair amazingly soft. Well, this says it's pure, and it says Royal Botanical Gardens Q. So it's from the Queen's Garden? I'm not sure. Well, forget about that. This and that. These are my #1 shampoo and conditioner to go. Second, my favorite product, Frida. Da-da-da-da! Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys would have it in your country, because if we have it in Turkey, you probably have it in anywhere. This is called Frida Frizz Ease Miraculous Recovery Deep Conditioner. Yeah, you can see it like that. And this smells so good. The other ones smell like coconut. This has more of a flower-ish kind of scent to it. This is actual miraculous. This is an actual miracle because when I put this on my scalp, I usually put it on my scalp, and then the remaining I would just lower down to my hair. I don't waste too much of the product because it's kind of expensive in Turkey. What is it called? What is it called? What am I gonna say? I suck at it. Well, my English was way better, but it's hard to talk and speak. You can't say speak and talk at the same time because that doesn't make sense. This is out of the rules of English. I suck at it. This is awesome. If you are gonna buy anything in this video, this would be the exact thing you are supposed to buy. Because I say so. No, not because I say so. I'm not gonna be so arrogant. Because this actually gives you a very soft and silky feeling of your hair as soon as you put it on. You don't wait for it to actually work on your hair. You don't have to like put it in a month or 2 months or in a week or like in weeks to see the effect. You just put it on, see the effect right away. Imagine using it all the time. So I'm gonna throw this away. I'm gonna throw it away to the side and move on to after shower products. I just hurt myself. This is a leave-in conditioner spray that has phyto stem cells complex with rose water, rose water, whatever. I just suck at English videos. Guys, leave a comment below if you find this fun, or I'm just gonna stop trying to make English videos. Well, no, not really, but you can still leave a comment down below just to support me. Yeah, this is just a ordinary leave-in spray conditioner just to make the combing easier, I would say, so that you don't get your hair ruined and you don't get tangled. This actually works for detangling your hair. Very important recommendation for you is that you shouldn't comb your hair like you're combing, let's say, something else. Like, you don't go like that, you know, you don't fight with your hair. Your hair is fragile, you need your hair is beautiful. It should feel like a silk, like a cashmere, like soft. It should be soft, and you should treat it like as if it's your child, as if it's like your baby that you're so afraid of hurting. Oh, that was my saliva. I hope the camera didn't pick that up. Well, too bad, I can't do anything about it. Let me fix my position. So you should not be treating your hair as if it's some kind of enemy. It's your friend. It's your beloved hair. So keep that in mind while you're taking care of your hair. Second product that I use is the Beauty Milk by Gliss. This is by Schwarzkopf. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but Schwarzkopf, yeah, whatever. Milk protein apparently is so good for your hair, especially if it's damaged or bleached or has been dyed. When it comes to the next one, yeah, Morfose Milk Therapy. Creamy mousse, I'm not sure. I don't know how to pronounce that, but creamy mousse conditioner. It has milk protein and 12 amino acids. It has long-lasting moisturization. Moisturizing. Moisturization for dry and brittle hair. If you have this is the second product that you need to buy for your hair. This is like the holy, not spray, moss. This is the holy product number uno, dos. Yeah, my Spanish sucks. By the way, I'm gonna give a little shout out to my beloved friend Cesar for teaching me English as good as this, and also Rabia, because I can't forget about Rabia. Rabia, what's Rabia? Rabia, because she and him are the two people that really helped me learn English, which probably is not the topic of this video, but I just want to mention them just to give them appreciation. And the thing is, I can't even use my phone to look up for the dictionary because my phone is recording this right now. The hair oil, these two, you would probably not have it in your country. You could just substitute this with any kind of oil that you want. This is just regular products in Turkey. This sucks. At least the Turkish version sucks. I don't like this at all. But if you have this little baby right here, which you can't see anything of, yeah. You know, I just want to be so aesthetic, but I can't. The world doesn't let me do that, or my phone. This is the third holy product in this video. This is hask, or hask, macadamia oil, moisturizing shine hair oil. This is so good. This doesn't make your hair wait so much. It doesn't like put it down, or it doesn't make it so much slippery again, I want to say. I'm not sure if slippery was the exact word that I'm supposed to choose, but if I'm mistaken, I'm gonna correct it somewhere here on the screen. The numero tres holy product in this video. I like these. Me gusta this oil. Yeah. Oh, my languages suck. Even my Turkish, my like main language sucks because I'm just in the middle of two languages. Well, this is about it. These are all the products that I use every time I go to the shower. These are the products that I use every time I take shower. The recipe for very soft, silk-like hair. If you're bleaching your hair, just go back two videos back and then watch how I bleach my hair at home and how I dye my hair at home for about 1.5 years, and to see how things are done so you don't ruin your hair. I know it's in Turkish, but you could just check my formula out, and if you write me any questions of yours and anything that you feel uncomfortable and things that you don't understand on the video, I could just reply you back in English, explaining you every detail on the video. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Oh yeah, there's another thing that I need to mention is you are supposed to wash your hair in warm water, lukewarm water, I guess. Not hot, not cold. I think it's better if you wash it in cold. I'm not sure about that though. But it should be in the middle. It shouldn't burn your hair, neither it should make you freeze. It should be in the middle of the, you know, this thing, so that you don't damage your hair further. I guess that's it for my video. I think, yeah, that's it for my video. This is very exciting to share a video in English in my channel. I was gonna say kennel. I'm very, I don't know how I'm gonna edit these videos, but we'll see about them. I'm not sure if anyone's gonna watch this or not. This would go to trash, but this would actually be something. I've been talking for about 1 hour and 5 minutes and 50 seconds. including the Turkish video that I just took. So guys, thank you for watching my channel. It's Damy. Please follow me on Instagram. Down. Am I a southern girl? No, I'm not. Please subscribe to my channel to support me and give me a thumbs up and press the bell button and like this video. Did I say that? I'm not sure. So subscribe, the bell button, and like. And yeah, comment down below your opinions and what you do for your hair as well, if your hair is bleached or dyed. I'm very curious about your routine as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for being in this channel. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, have a safe quarantine. Ciao!